Mirage in desert. Here is an observer is sitting on the camel and observing a tree. Inverted image in ground, that is in the hot sand, just like image of tree in water. Really there is no water, that is an illusion. Let us discuss it. Mirage in deserts. In deserts, the temperature of hot sand increases and the nearby air becomes hot. Therefore, its refractive index of hot air decreases and this air becomes a rarer medium near the sand, whereas the air above it is a slightly cold of high refractive index, that is a denser medium. In the figure first, ray of light is coming from a denser medium, passes to a rarer medium and it goes away, reflected rays goes away from normal according to refraction, and the figure second shows here similar type of refraction except refraction at lowest point, because at the lowest point there is another phenomena known as total internal reflection of light. When a ray of light coming from top of a tree passes from cold air at the top to hot air at the bottom in different layers of earth, then it moves away from normal successively in the different layers of air due to refraction. When the two conditions of total internal reflection, number one, light travel from denser to rarer medium, number two, angle of incidence in denser medium becomes more than critical angle fulfills, then the ray of light reflects back in the upward direction in air and arrives in observer's eye. This ray of light in backward direction generate virtual image at the bottom of tree, like an image in water. The thirsty animals arrive to drink water and the image is formed at another place again. In this way, an illusion generates in desert for animals called mirage. We will discuss sparkling of diamond in the next video.